Your left joystick is going to control your cabin, left and right. Pressing it forward and backward is going to extend your arm. Your right joystick, moving it left will close the bucket, right will open the bucket. And up and down is going to control the main boom, bringing it lower and up. This foot pedal controls your back blade. Down is up is down. And this foot pedal is when you have an accessory attached. This is your battery switch. When you turn off your machine, you always want to turn off the battery, kill the battery. Right here you have your lights, which would be this one up here. Right here is your choke to control your throttle. When you start your engine, you always want to pull the choke before you turn the ignition switch. Right here is how you control your throttle. And then this switch is unlock and lock for the controls for your boom.